Hello guys, Corey here, back with another Battle of Warships gameplay video. Today we're using HMS Hood. Just before we get into the battle, I'd like to say that she's not fully upgraded. The main two things, her HP and her main battery, are fully upgraded. Most other things are kind of half upgraded. So, yeah, I mean, she's still a very good ship, you know. Got a lot of HP, so you can definitely take a hit. She's quite small as well, so she can really just dodge a lot of bullets. She also deals quite a good, she packs quite a good punch. You know, she's got a 10-second reload, as opposed to most ships having an 11-second reload. And she actually does mid-40s damage, so overall, it's pretty good. I'm not going to say too much before we get into the battle, but make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel because I would really appreciate it. And we're in quarantine, there's not exactly anything else to be doing, so just watch one little thing for like 20 seconds. Anyway, I'll see you in a second. So, we're back in battle. Looking at the teams, I would say they're pretty equal. These are some cracking teams. It's going to be a big battle. It's either going to go very well or very bad. That's all I'm saying. Oh, these teams are absolutely packed. Oh my days. Yeah, it's either this is a battle that can go either way. Usually it's just like, oh, it's an average battle. This battle looks to be, wow. Every ship fully upgraded. It's just set to be a good one, isn't it? Set to be a good one. My teammates are speaking Spanish. I know a bit of Spanish. Hola, me llamo. Make up a name. Bob. Hola, me llamo Bob. That means, like, my name's Bob. Hi, my name's Bob. How you doing? I don't know much of that. Something house. Hola, Susanna. Is that what I said? Okay. Oh Christ, torpedoes, Jesus. Forgot about them. I was hoping they wouldn't come so soon. Oh, we haven't fully upgraded our turn. But we've upgraded it enough and we've dodged them. So, yeah. We're going to go this way. Because that's where every other ship is going. And us going by ourselves would be suicide. Or, well, close to it. Close to it, anyway. Oh, like 1 frame a second here. This is really, really bad. Why? Why is it 1 frame a second? What? Why have I done to deserve this? I'm trying to aim. It's actually got finished off. And now we are looking to be finished off here. So we can just get out of the range, maybe. Let the Montana take the fire in it. Unless they're genuinely just focused on me dying. Oh wait, we've got a bit of a better frames per second here. Ish. I wouldn't say it's better, but it's improved. Right, so after that affair, we land ourselves on 256,680,000 damage. No, not 680,000. 256, 680 damage. Wait, no. I'm being dumb here. 256,680 damage. Jesus. You can tell. You can tell I'm a bit tired, isn't it? Or we can hit the San Diego. So let's go for the kill, go for the kill, go for the kill. Let's do it. Wait, did we get the kill? Nope. Oh, this is where our reload time comes in. Handy. We didn't get the kill. Oh, you lucky. Wait, San Diego's. No, it is dead. This is a good angle. I'm gonna go ahead and use a ship repair. But this is an angle to be hitting the Sovietsky Soyuz at. Just as soon as it peeks around from that cliff. I would actually genuinely just stop. But. Oh, we can stop now. The aircraft carrier's gone. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Well, that's the first kill. Not too bad, not too bad. Whoa, loads of ships have got a lot of damage right now. And for them, it's down to the two super assassins, which is still a combination which can be deadly. We want to play it smart. But can we really? It's kind of hard. I know the other ships are miles behind us, you know. We have a super assassin of our own right next to us here. Now, where's super assassin going? We go this way. I'm going over here, so we're gonna use another ship repair as well because I know they can do about 60,000 damage, and that would have taken about 3 or 4 hits. I could have lasted about 20 seconds if they were both firing at me, so it's probably ideal that we get our HP quite high up before we go into a fight with them. Although, yeah. I mean, that's pretty much the case with any of these big ships. Can we hit them? Or we can... Ooh. Nearly in the range of one of them. Well, actually, no, we're pretty close to both of them being in range, but... That's what I'm on about. I'm like, it's just, you know, it just does loads of damage to you. So if we can kind of play it smart, just kind of stay out of their range, but they're in ours. From the way we're moving, I would really appreciate it planning out that way, because that's kind of, you know, they can't get damage on us, but we can get damage on them. Right now, we can get damage on them. But if they try to hit us, it's just going to go behind us. Until now, because we have to stop because of an island. Right there, anyway. It's like right in front of us. You can look on the map. So, and like see. Yeah. I'm surprised you've only got 1 kill for the amount of damage you've done, man. Some geezer but still like 200,000 less damage than us has got more kills, and it infuriates me. Oh, actually. Hello, 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 hello. Boom, 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 boom. It's us. Yes, I kill. Oh, that's not bad. It's not a bad battle, you know. 594,000 damage, 2 kills, 2 assists. That's pretty much it. That sums up the video. As I said earlier, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. I've had a few puppy videos out recently, and I also haven't been uploading. I've had a few gaps of like 3 or 4 days, and that will stop. I'm going to try and upload every other day. So like I'm going to upload what will have been this day here, Sunday the 3rd of May. Then there will also be one on the 5th and the 7th and the 9th, 11th and so on. It will just, yeah. I wonder if I'm going to have one on my birthday. I'm going to have to look at that, because I might not be able to upload on my birthday. Saying that, if I'm still in quarantine, there's not going to be much going on for my birthday. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye.